Hey everyone, in today's video, we're talking about the best screen replacement options for your phone, AMOLED, OLED, TFT, and LCD. So, which one should you go for? Let's break it down. AMOLED screens are known for their vibrant colors and deep blacks, thanks to individual pixels turning on or off. They also save battery life with dark themes but tend to be pricier. OLED is similar to AMOLED with even better contrast and color accuracy, giving you that perfect display experience, especially in high-end devices. TFT screens are more affordable but come with less vibrant colors and lower contrast. If you're on a budget, this could be a good option, though it's not as high quality as the others. LCD provides solid color accuracy and brightness, making it a decent middle ground option. But it still doesn't match AMOLED or OLED in terms of black depth and contrast. So, what's the best for you? If you want top-tier display quality, go for AMOLED or OLED. If you're on a budget, LCD is a good choice, and TFT should be your last resort if you're really trying to save. Don't let a broken display ruin your day. Discover affordable, high-quality replacements that will make your device look as good as new, without breaking the bank. With worldwide shipping, we've got you covered no matter where you are. Browse the links in the description for top-of-the-line Samsung screen replacements and more. It's time to breathe new life into your device. Order now and enjoy a flawless screen again.